Unlocking the world of 3D printing, basics and innovations. 3D printing creates three-dimensional objects layer by layer, revolutionizing production methods across industries. In healthcare, custom prosthetics are designed for individual needs, enhancing patient comfort and functionality. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, uses melted plastic filaments to build objects, ideal for prototypes and models. Stereolithography, SLA, utilizes UV light to cure resin, providing high precision for intricate designs. Selective laser sintering, SLS, fuses powdered materials, enabling complex geometries and durable parts. Join us for more insights into innovative technologies.